Sri Lanka is renewed with seasonal rains, fertile soil, year-round sunshine, and a comprehensive system of waterways that ideally suit organic agriculture.
As one of the 34 biodiversity hotspots on this planet, we in Sri Lanka have been forced to sacrifice much of the habitat of this land. Until today, only about 3% of this habitat remains. This habitat, which is the lowland rainforests and the highland rainforests, are home to practically all of the tree species and plant species that are endemic to this country, and about 75% of all the animals that are endemic to this country.
The sustainable farming culture inherited in the country was illustrated by the usage of biodegradable inputs.
We are pretty much following not only organic agriculture, but also we promote biodynamic agriculture. And what is biodynamic really is very high standard organic system. We believe moon calendar, and we have a great knowledge, indigenous knowledge from our forefathers, and we use all these knowledge for biodynamic agriculture practices.
Our organic agriculture methods and practices are producing clean and healthy agricultural products, utilizing the traditional, modern, and scientific knowledge. At present, we have around 12,000 organic certified farmers and nearly 400 processors and exporters. Sri Lanka produces a wide range of organic products in factories that adhere to internal standards such as organic, fair trade, ISO 22000, BRC, OSHAS, and ISO 14001, among others.
NOCU, established under the Sri Lanka Export Development Board, is the competent government authority mandated to regulate and monitor all organic agriculture related activities in Sri Lanka, including cultivation, processing, certification, trading, exports and imports.
Furthermore, there are international organic standards such as the EU, JAS, USDA, Chinese, Natureland, and Demeter, which can be followed by operators. Cinnamomum zelimicum is the true cinnamon, which is an endemic plant species to Sri Lanka. We possess an ideal sign of ancient ecological agro products. Ceylon tea farmers have adopted organic tea cultivation to produce a purer flavor that is also beneficial for the environment. The Sri Lankan organic tea industry maintains the highest quality in the world market, and ISO 3720 is the minimum standard applied for the products. ISO 22000 health and safety standards. Since the good old days, we are the pioneers of organic farming in the Asian region. We have won the attraction of the global market due to the multi-strata, tropical, and organic cultivation systems.